The sacred spine, awakening the inner current. What if the most powerful energy in the universe isn't out there, but flowing silently through your own spine? Welcome to a journey through your sacred anatomy, the seat of consciousness, energy, and transformation. In this video, we'll explore the truth about sacral fluids, Kundalini energy, and how to awaken it safely. Number 1, the sacred spine. Your spine isn't just a mechanical structure, it's a living river of intelligence. It begins at the sacrum, the triangular bone at the base of your spine, also called the sacred bone. Ancient mystics believed this is where life force energy sleeps, coiled like a serpent. Today, science knows it's the anchor point for a powerful fluid called cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF. This fluid flows up through the spinal column to the brain, delivering nutrients, removing waste, and nourishing your nervous system. It's a biological reality, but it's also deeply spiritual. Number 2, what is cerebrospinal fluid? Cerebrospinal fluid is a clear, sacred fluid that flows rhythmically from your sacrum to your brain and back again. But what makes it so special? It moves in waves synchronized with your breath, and it surrounds the pineal gland, the mystical third eye. Many ancient texts describe this fluid as the sacred secretion, a divine current that, when energized, can awaken your entire consciousness. When you breathe with awareness, hold key postures, and activate internal locks, this fluid moves upward with energy, like a rising tide. This is where Kundalini awakening begins. Number 3, the energy flow. The sacred energy, known as Kundalini, rests at the base of your spine in the Muladhara chakra. When activated, it travels through the central spinal channel, called the Sushumna, passing through energy centers or chakras, all the way to the crown. This isn't just symbolic. The upward movement of Kundalini is supported by cerebrospinal fluid, controlled breath, pranayama, spinal alignment, and the unlocking of subtle energy pathways through deep awareness. Each time you breathe deeply and focus on your spine, you help guide this sacred current upward, toward light, clarity, and awakening. Number 4, how to awaken the flow safely. Let's now walk step by step through a safe and effective protocol for activating this process. Step 1, prepare the body. Practice light spinal stretches in yoga, like cat-cow or cobra pose, to free tension. Align your spine when seated. Comfort is key. Step 2, breathwork, pranayama. Begin with slow, deep diaphragmatic breathing. Gradually introduce ujjayi or alternate nostril breathing. Breath should feel calming, not forced. Step 3, bandhas, body locks. Start learning Mula Bandha, the pelvic floor lock. This gently lifts energy from the base upward. Use only after mastering your breath. Step 4, mental focus. During breath practice, focus on the spine. Visualize light rising from the base to the head. With each inhale, feel the current lift. With each exhale, release gently. Step 5, meditation. Sit in stillness. Observe the sensation of energy. Don't force anything. Let the flow happen naturally. Number 5, precautions and safety. This process is real and powerful. Many people feel warmth, tingling, or emotional release. Some may even experience headaches, visions, or physical jolts if rushed. That's why safety matters. Never force breath or bandhas. Don't push Kundalini to rise. It rises when the body, mind, and energy are ready. Always work with a trained teacher or guide. Deep grounding practices like walking, earthing, emotional balance, and inner patience. Number 6, the journey within. The sacred spine is not just a structure. It's a pillar of light, a ladder to consciousness, a bridge to the divine. Inside you flows a river older than time, a current that remembers where you came from and where you're going. Kundalini is not a goal. It is a return to your natural state of pure awareness. So be gentle, be present, be still, and the sacred current will find its way home, through you. If this video helped you understand the sacred spine and inner energy, like, comment, and subscribe for more wisdom on awakening, energy, and human potential. Your body is divine, your breath is a key, and your spine is the gateway.